What type of book is Proverbs?
Wisdom.
In which part of the Bible is Proverbs found?
Old Testament.
Who is traditionally known as the main writer of Proverbs?
Solomon.
What do Proverbs mainly teach?
Wise living.
Proverbs often give advice about which of these?
Daily life.
What does Proverbs say is the beginning of wisdom?
Fear of the Lord.
How many chapters are in the book of Proverbs?
(31)
Proverbs teaches children to listen to whom?
Parents.
What does Proverbs say about kind words?
They are helpful.
Proverbs often warns against which habit?
Laziness.